Hello, my name is Joanna Schreck, and I will be talking about functional analysis. So, what is functional analysis? A functional analysis is one of the three functional behavior assessments. There is currently indirect, observational, and experimental. Experimental is functional analysis. This is a specific type that involves the direct manipulation of antecedents and/or consequences to identify why problem behavior occurs. A functional behavior assessment is different than a functional analyst because it looks at the environment data in addition to behavioral data. So, a functional analysis changes the environment in order to see the child's behavior, whereas an FBA looks at the child's behavior in their own environment. There are currently 5 conditions, and each condition is used to understand the functions of behavior. There is play control, attention, alone, escape, and tangibles. So, in this condition, in the control condition, the individual has free access to social attention, to the preferred toys or activities, and there's no demands. So, not even demanding for an item. So, if you have a bunny and they want bunny, just give it to them. There's no required demand in place. As such, there's usually very little motivation to engage in problem behaviors. The control condition serves as comparison to all the other conditions. In this condition, in the attention condition, it determines if the problem behavior occurs to access social attention from others, such as family members, staff, or even peers. In this condition, attention is typically withheld, so the therapist might act distracted or the mom might act busy, and is provided following a target behavior for a brief period of time, few seconds. This might take form of reprimands such as stop or no, we don't do that, or even soothing comments like, oh, it's gonna be okay. If the individual engages in high rates of inappropriate behavior in this condition compared to the other conditions, it is indicating that social attention functions as a reinforcement for maladaptive behaviors. So, in the alone condition, the behavior is likely to occur when they are by themselves. So, that may look like hands flapping, low vocalizations, walking back and forth. The individual is usually left alone for some period, but make sure it is safe and to see if the behavior persists when no one else is present. This is sometimes called automatic reinforcement. In some cases, the behavior is potentially dangerous or the individual cannot be left alone. So, strategies can be implemented to keep the alone condition, such as the therapist being in the same room, just not interacting. In the escape condition, it is used to see if the behaviors occur to escape demands. So, if non preferred activities such as schoolwork or chores is typically presented and a break, the escape part, is provided following the target behavior for a brief period of time, such as a 20 to 30-second period. If the individual engages in high rates of inappropriate behavior in this condition, it indicates that escape is a reinforcer for maladaptive behavior. In the tangible condition, it is used to determine if the behavior is maintained by access to preferred items or activities. So, in this condition, access to preferred items such as toys or candies is typically withheld and is provided following the target behavior. If the individual engages in high rates of inappropriate behaviors in this condition, it indicates that problem behaviors occur to access preferred items. So that is the end of my PowerPoint. I hope you guys enjoy it. I listed the references of the pictures that I've used and the books. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them below. Thank you.